It's painful. Ain't no me best wo nyumu sisi a me nya o hwe. Ain't muntu aba ma NPP.
Kasa kire ye na fa hye ye nkran wa Mzbel.
Nkran hwensam.
Yes.
Me nheda ni bebre sa but kakra metimi aka ne say. Se wutie mi anapai na waba mu ebu abrabo mu a se hu se me be kasa te say Christoni. No do na nim say me nheda enye Christoni but permit me to talk like a Christian. Okay, say no se wutie mi anapai na se wabemu ebu ewa abrabomu na upese will give you up mpese me sure will say
yes.
You are part of God's plan.
Amen.
Nyame bo we ase no onimuni enti a ode wo eka ho hu ehia emma system you will not be here.
It's true.
So you are here for a purpose.
Amen.
The awo femu bia is for a reason.
Amen.
Ina bona call
Obetimi dia fact bro.
Nimredrum and emredru a ebetwem eye face. Sometimes we face near maybe we abrabo mu a we feel say me any papa too much. Me tia me tight. Me too collection me buanya nkanade. Identify na me ampara me be say to mu abrabo mu. So you want to give up? Don't give up. You are part of the system. You are part of God's plan and you are part of God's creation. Wo mu a na Nyankopon ne na body no na creation edimu and no don't give up. Keep trusting in the God that you trust in and keep doing what you think say as a human being we are ebeboa ama nipa eben wo nipa edo wo nipa care about you no it's good for them. Good. So kakra metimi aka no. Bibia yesi Nyankopon nim beginning and no nim the end.
Sure.
And there's a reason why you are here. You are part of the system.
Amen.
And so shebia wo komubia it's supposed to happen to propel you to the next level.
Wow.
And no kakra.
Wede asofu mame mo adwuma pa na wo ye na no pay no. Unhu se fatao.
I say me of mama.
Fata where they were one kasa. I mean, in summary, no, they are kind in summary, no, dear pan and upper sochre. In summary,
don't give up in life. Things will definitely happen. It's supposed to happen.
Yes.
And your first time, I can crash seminar. Maybe I never Obia Mammy Saquenya or radio. So, but maybe in my pub, people come with problems. People come with broken hearts, crying. They want to end their life, and then I talk to them, and then it's some. Bibi wo ma brabum. So I think say me calling on but me said that in the public controversy na
in the public because said the only yakasa no pay no honestly attach me heart said the only yakasa no and you know fire wodwuma o de enye gidigidi kura once in a while bia no unya chance kakra bi na o de oba live crampo na oni nyame mankasa oni nyame mankasa kakra keke na bibia anya fine why nyame enshira
nyame enshira Romeo
na say o ye discourage and say o ye stress up abraboma e de na o de relieve ho
me
ankasa
basically no say na me dey kan etu nkrofo no sa na me fan say it is meant to happen and as me fan no say some of the challenges no it is meant to happen to caution you say who ya ye ade bi one way into sesa
okay
otherwise you get stuck in the wheel of karma. They be wo be ya ade baako na ho asama ba etwemu ana wasan the same thing na ho asama ba enti na yenka ya ye bo
good
say sawa brabo change something in your life enti say niam be to me and dia me de shama me ho cry say yenka ibo
that's good
enti na ebe ya me ye be ha me do but I will take something from it. I will learn something from it.
I see.
Yeah.
Edie na wo brabo mu a or regret ya wunya yanka eni wa brabo mu da. Is there anything like regret in your life?
Yeah, at some point in time, you know, yes. Hey, wow, Superman.
A+, general manager A+.
My strength.
Me brother about one he said me no yeah fine.
Plus,
rough.
Me dey me want plus me call out sometime.
Hey, plus Now it's A plus. Oh, well.
This is Satana Minyo Bia. Naminya Mzbel.
Nanka only ya date.
Oh yeah. Pa.
What managing it down?
Oh, that be yes. From beginning, like someone can.
That's good. That's good. Senior man aba.
Yeah, I wasn't expecting to see plus here.
Hey, he's part of us. He's part of us.
You look cool.
Oh, okay.
How about you sending great kakraba my effort?
Oh, say great name dada.
I like it.
Aye, but I say one is over here papa na A plus ni papa no. Aye. And tinami busa say whole life no. Oh, no mabia. Unya yanka happy no abrabum or regrets kakra or life.
Yeah. But on say first nonka titina na obisa mi anka meka say I mi yanka manye se manyanka manye se. But see an pempenso a me fa say like I said today I'm going to talk like a Christian.
I know.
Pempenso anyankopon eni mi edru ntina. I feel say ni am fe mu bia wo me life mu bia na wo say mi fe mu se na be ya da chi bi menya ba bi gina metimi so I have no regrets.
Oh, okay. Nti ase who say challenge bia wa face bia no part of grow abrabom.
Yeah, challenge bia my face bia na me believe say it was supposed to happen to push me to the next level. Or to open my eyes, to give me a story to tell.
That's good. That's good.
Yeah,
the nyame ase anopenso de o by one susu amfa ho ye fufu na ye kodi no ho dressing no na.
My fufu ni my slippers that kind. But I'm trying to, I like African fabric. I don't know if it is the meaning in Siana. But first, I'm coming tomato already. I'm coming. But it's here.
But fatal. I tell for Mumbai,
Pascal Edwards and a pamatarian.
Ba ayona di a rumor say I say my planning na open say girl not trending na mashada I said only no problem. No kwebe na wo ne ayona issue nim. Ayona. Because a man for say a planting. I said more yeah I'm getting not trendy. But
it could be that, but it's not that.
It's not. It could be that, but it's not that.
It's not a planting.
Okay.
I am yakakra. Say meka se niama I am yakakra wa industry more make be bosswa. This will be one of them.
Okay.
Because Ayona see me and mami.
Yeah.
I get emotional anytime I talk about this. I mean, imagine say me mboso.
And they all kind of once and for all.
I won't go into details. Ni awakano and me address.
Okay.
Or say me and mami.
Yeah.
Me so me jini say me ba and net na. I didn't even bother to get to know who she is.
Okay.
I opened my doors to her.
How did it happen? Oh, no about na.
I remember say I have this friend. Me mother for baby. I mean no man auntie ache, but people don't know. Rash of DKB.
Okay, Rash.
You will fear na one day be oni Ayona beshra me. You see Ayona be ejuma when in studio.
Okay.
And on any beshra me. And so na anyway no na am say me birthday and Ayona buy.
Okay.
And then the third time I think say one early morning of friend me say ni birthday e bedru and ni birthday abba. And what she wanted for a birthday present, say, may introduce you to the public, say, oh yeah, me ba.
Okay.
Me baba mentor, no, blah blah blah, and stuff like that. And I was honored, say, she actually was bold enough to want me to, introduce her,
mentor her.
Yeah. So me catch her and it says, anytime she's in Accra, she can come and hang out with me. She came to hang out with me, and then she decided to stay with me in my house, and it was cool.
Okay.
But
so that time, now we need the background.
Na me sheda animo no.
Okay.
But obaye no obo ne nyum echre me, which were very good songs. Na ne nyum obo nyina echre me na enye good songs.
All right.
And right away no me catch her and say mama sign wo. So mama sign wo me record label so. Na me mama boys na gidigidi ne yem promote wo na but because this is good.
Yeah, she's good, yeah.
And o catch her me say woni nkrofo bi eye djuma dada into a way to be impossible.
Okay.
And I respected that because it would be unfair say when in Crawford ashasi, then we share Mzbel now if you saw a bigger brand into your wasing chain no or cancer anonymity as the intimacy me imagine say any and maybe I made the bed born in Crawford, no more droop and pen so I expect no made the bed buono. And I start helping her to grow her social media numbers. Apart from that, me and Casa made personal contacts me demand on crofo ma boa me pen wo industry mu financially me man contacts no nyina na me chere say woni nipa we kasa kwan we so a obetimi a support wo financial and am pan so yeah, she's not lazy. I don't know woman opportunity be she works with it right away. Unlike me who can be betray me. It takes time. I'm slow. and I like to do things.
But no, quick or no,
she's very quick.
Okay.
Contact me the morning now. She started talking to the people.
Okay.
And baako sending a seka.
Yeah.
And odima me crew no to shoot her video.
Okay.
I think so almost 5,200.
Okay.
To cover some of the expenses of her video or bra video no. And no money me be discuss concept no. No mo say na me catch mo say in-house job. Enti equipment ni niama ni no eno pe na moma like mom fast can
but
the aka we have to do it for her because she's like a daughter to me. So we did it. So that's how or the eba my brabum.
Okay.
Ain't na me expect to say for some reason say ebia ebufo bi wo ho anasa kasakasa bi wo yentem na wa ko radio anasa we ni blog abiesha na obisa wa nanka ne papem no you will just say o minimi maami asem de yanka ne bedwem because that is how mini wo yetna. You are my daughter, I'm your mother. Ubai onimitna ye no. I noticed a few things that I was uncomfortable with. I feel say that she baby to me there samaba.
Okay.
Man tna bedroom and discuss it. Man koka wo baby amana ntrende. Me friend ne maame na me born amane. Ne maame so ni die a owo maame nteno. She came over with her Iona's father. Iona maame ne papa. Eba mi fie tutu omo na eba mi fie ene me betina se kasai e woni die ene asundwe mu I apologize here so that you know the relationship will not fall apart. Another time so me notice ni amabi amampe o ka bibia anya me de I fa ni video shoot no no so my friend ma me born amane and we're supposed to meet and settle it. So that's how I mean say yes solve family issues because if I'm your mother and you calling me mommy then we are family. And na yen fire asem
enkwa bedwam
enkotina bedwam entina me ya say you know wonya akwanya echo radio so anase oni blogger bi din komo na wo creating impression bi say bibi wo ho ntokwa bi wo ho na afi ye de medin eye headlines na nkofo edidi matem yanka say woni Mzbel and last and you say meanwhile no you have granted interviews and said say oh me maame no me ni nya ntokwa da bibi secret blah blah blah. Oh really? Okay. So if you've said all this and you nimu say na me din here like a walk outside you don't just go and start creating the impression say and tokwabi wayenta because and tokwabi wayenta ma efie na yeden yes solve no internet ayamia and no sanso kan bibi enye no kre and no so ayame wan say o si onu no finance ni video no enye onu no finance video mi ame hu nipa David and send wo sika
oya djuma bi mana na
wanya hwia man oni mo ne da oni ne hwia da oni ne number but like I said no I gave her contacts to help her team grow. So David contact eka ho. Nti David kwan ya me cho send ni kasa no ni kasa sa. E no send musika. Na odi emo 5,200. E ma me team no to cover some of the expenses of the video. Nti say ne wo fi say wo say ko church nsemu at least give him some credit or give me some credit. So Mzbel na introduce mama nipa we are no mama nipa we contact and or sending me
but no chess on one sika
or see of financing video no and trend this but it is wrong. Nipa ya dia and we say woman credit kakra. But apart from that, me met nothing church little issues you have here because she referred to me as mother and you're Onunkwani Obi awa refer to me as mother. Equia Pimpolo, a lot of girls. But me met na bedroom and discuss issues many more. Me wamba with your moya dia metion. Me met na social media and can't know. That is how I expected say problem be wo wa ye best
mobile address you know. Now when was the last time I on in Kasai?
The last time I in Kasai a year. Time my friend and mommy a report say no say waka bibi amana anya me de.
I know your call interview we no.
No before our call interview.
After interview you on in Kasai. Nsema wako kana busa na hwe. You don't want to?
Why should I? Because you know like baby say or frame me me for sedans or sending me message me reply. But the issue is me bet na there are times I walk out by yourself. Was sending me messages. Was frame me. Won't sang coming. But those times ningina and now we call radio interviews. You never mentioned it anywhere to create any like CCA. Plus.
Okay. All right.
Okay. Ain't no when me bet na you know me nipa me say me to say WhatsApp ni phone calls na de me ni ha kakra wo I hardly 50% of my time dedicated to myself, 30% to family, and then 10% to my business, 10% to everyone else. So I care more about myself than any other thing. But so obi a obey me and I say me baby hiamwa ni was me bia edibuano me.
Okay.
And you noticed that about me, and you were cool with it. I hardly pick up calls. I hardly answer WhatsApp, reply to WhatsApp messages. At some point, Ayonana or reading me WhatsApp message.
So secret baby.
That's how much I trusted her. Me de me phone to me mouth. Now I ready at me. Mommy, where is say ni say me reply ni say na match no I reply. You answer some of my calls.
To do. Ana.
Sana me tie.
Okay.
Me jinipadi easily. Me infa obi bad experience with me. And jeje obi fufu Obama bravo. That's how I am.
Right.
And I mean pardon for chinchine. If you understand that, you can live with me for a very long time because I can be in my room, you can be in the same house with me. And the whole day now and when she was staying with me, it happened several times. Good. And she was okay with it.
Right.
So what changed? Why is it that all of a sudden me reply message a big deal? But see, I am beginning to change my principles.
Okay.
Say obi bad experience in Tino. Me welcome you be in my life.
All right.
But so
yes. In all no, do you regret say o man ben the ekosui?
I don't regret to say me ma ayo a chance into my life. I don't regret because me enema baby ebuano.
Okay.
Me feel say or continue ebe propelling until the level or
mo betumi asa back bi
mo ain't no on to me na baby and coming was embonida.
Okay, let's see what happens
because she knows me
onamfo bebre no nanti we are no be kan ho nsem ti ehwesa you na be exceptional there.
Well, I just
I mean you never know.
You never know.
Let's just wait.
Well,
but is there a way I'm betting assign tights beam to say first?
I called her mother and I'm a reporting baby man. Ni mama catch me say, "Hey papa, etu kwankwe yi oba, ye betina si akasa." And know if that happens, na say asumdwe ba, yes, we can still be nice.
Right.
But say bia mema na betina me chain how I used to be, you know. Honestly, my nervous kakra because minimum how I did asemusi.
Okay.
I'm open.
All right.
And no near
okay.
We can be nice, but we can't be
like before. No?
Yeah.
Do you also think say a setup will be in a bawa brabo?
Yes, setup, but obi and I suggest man say, oh, say Mzbel or you're very influential or you know. So the woman na so introduce you a bit me a man crofo at a wonka. Enko, yeah. So I think I think Ricky, 3FM award Ricky, and a man is advising.
Okay.
And in some maybe a course to cry me boy Ricky amani.
All right.
Yeah. And I feel say Ricky no nipa me en office ayo na be me betting yabo. I don't know advising them, but and just set up to make me look bad. It's rather unfortunate.
Good.
And I'm me say ayo na nkasa wan dream say okobo me din e de kasema it will get to this level where people will start insulting.
All
me.
right.
I don't think so.
So this picture, sparkle we kakra.
What picture?
The picture. I mean, different pictures. Ana one baby girl Ayuna Oba. Moody agro as mother and daughter. Now a baby room was say more lesbian partners. It was all over. I'm sure you heard it. I mean, how true is that rumor?
Say. Ghana and Kasano, Ghana na minimum Ghana as American. Say Obama, any Oba, too close, no more video. Rebecca say, oh, they are dating, oh, didn't want to. Sounds so now, Obama notices only Oba being so close too much, and so I see, we are lesbians. So two people can't just be together without anybody thinking sexual about it. I said mini Iona a lesbian, and I addressed it. It's not true.
Okay.
On your lesbian.
Okay.
Me to me a lesbian. So a lesbian the any meaning.
That's good. But Mzbel dear.
Me a lesbian.
Original. Also na relationship cry.
I remember my PA who used to be my nephew. Who used to be my PA. When I me nyema me kwa no hospital nyina obi afi say ono ni me baby daddy. Enti me wo ye no congratulations nyina. Ono na hospital obi a edema no. Me bibia ono na mo ne discuss until time I discharge me. And I realized Papa Kwesi give people the impression say he's my baby daddy.
Yeah.
And then I laughed about it and I explained to a few people say he's my nephew. So I am say in Crawford years they will just assume anything and say it.
It's true. Mzbel oko internet no so na obo di Mzbel a enoma bebre e na ewo ho a epie na ye call o pictures wa ye hu pictures ni bebre so a I saw kakra even though we entertainer but the ordinary person no be bisa say na adentina oba na o pictures bi wa out o pictures ni bi wa bonten a minim say eneya wanyini because those days now we are young ladies they say wanyini we are mother of how many kids?
I have 2 kids.
2 kids.
Yeah.
Do you regret having such pictures out? Neunya yanka pictures we muni ho biem.
See the picture we me hu a ha me biem. This particular picture they show me hu a ha me biem because people are doing worse things than this.
Yeah.
But back in the days na picture we a bar out. I had nightmares.
Okay.
Me I didn't know what to do.
Did you intentionally bring it out?
No.
About saying
picture we a picture me try for Vit's fee.
Okay.
So nude picture no. Me trauma product be.
Okay.
I have a Vit fee.
Okay.
So product na kata na me were very bad skin.
Okay.
Especially my face. And I'll be introducing mommy and a yejuma. And me also create Safo office. And I make who say, oh no like the main distributor of that product. And to me catch and say, I wanted to do something for the product. And I agree. And to me yes, our pictures. So my body was supposed to be covered with the product. And I want me laptop so me call interview Showbiz and I'm requesting for picture for the front page.
Okay.
To me my laptop Emma or one guy be
okay.
Graphic
Showbiz.
Yeah, graphic Showbiz. Me until now, your friend guy be money by Jimmy laptop.
Yeah.
And I'm trying the pictures are on coach.
Okay.
But
trust ni bi no.
That's how silly I can
be. Yeah.
And to acquire them so who folder I actual private.
Okay.
When be empo show or copy folder ni na answer.
Okay.
And later on no ko hwe. And who say pictures a woman on ye. And no when him say Showbiz there, they will not publish anything like that. It's that time now. Is it News One or something? And no Frey Halifax, no catching so what pictures be about Mzbel, but Showbiz ain't me publishing, so the man not publishing.
Okay.
To me, one day I say at the front page, I almost killed myself.
Wow.
Because I was then not me a lot of experience. Abrabomuni industry, because that's not how the picture was supposed to come out.
Sure.
It was a tough time for me.
Okay.
But to see
have you explained to your kids? Answer.
Oh, my kids luckily enough, John or 19 years.
Okay.
He's very smart.
Okay.
The way I'm raising he knows about the entertainment industry into Otiasie. But sometimes it means say and send be hano but unto me and country me yes and I'm me approaching not my explaining.
That's good.
The little kid or 7 years old.
Abusia for yane Mzbel Belinda and a bonkomo picture no and a dahono say beginning in fact nka tonoso but nyamiadum wa mature wa grow obeti say I mean a part of life. Na picture we dey unyaya nka eni abonten said dey da ho ne no but anya ba wi dey na be there's nothing you can do na brantie no so dey na dey no
Oh, sometimes I was so naive. And no, menya kwanya bi say ya. Na maka wan say me sun kakra. And Halifax so I think at some point no. Say bi me bobo ni dia. But see an me na ye fine. It's rather unfortunate. Into na me moment na e was say me ya hwe yi. All right. Niam a won pese be ba bonten. Good. No wa protecting you.
Good. Just 41, yes.
December menya 41.
Boys no so feel you pa young boys no.
I know.
But we shouldn't pay young guys well.
No.
Pay papa no level no paying for no.
Like somebody who can like pamper you and treat you right.
My man tell you suit me.
Yeah, that's what I was told, but
try back away.
Me try actually.
Mzbel.
Try.
But social media no. Do you think say Ghana ha no the way you use no you abusing it there because elsewhere no. Yeah, I know the oko social media they be antoka na koso obi no bi ku obi no ye no obi di atem me pese be bo bi adi na asan akoye issue about so and no say we so ba bi atem nti social media no o dey emphasis mo say ya de bi odin wom
the way was say you use social media I don't think say na you use it was anka you use no the projecting yama papa e koso wo ye kuro mu ya brabo mu ene ne ye twa ye ho ahia to project positive things.
Sure.
But unfortunately, no. On say, enye debia na nipa nya kwenya, eko radio so na TV so eko come problem.
Yes.
And na kwa say, any yen jam to ho. And people are taking advantage to bully people, to threaten people, to insult people, to attack people.
Sure.
And sebi yo, akoye say media no so no. A
trend
project because a query ain't no sisiano obia per se yetenenka oni obi ni problem cra or better that creative problem na yetenenka I think say we are abusing it. Nigerians are using it to promote themselves. They are abusing it too, but they promote Nyama more than negative. I think it's a Nigeria blogger be crab. I and as a way answer so nay answer near Becca. Sounds so nay canon. So
Mzbel, come on, do. What after radio I say I shut out and I see didn't come on. Yeah, be difficult. Now, the Akoso or Brabo Minano. Tieni o mebe busa deep question pa.
Hey wow.
De akwaso wa bra bom nyina ene we na one ne fan china na we yiwa mana de ade no. Se de ono tornado ya fan nti unsuro kakra.
Tie. My relationship with tornado no. Why explain that?
Okay.
Ono so afa me send nua prekope because we speak the same language ye en cran for. Me yen crane but me hu say me yen crane. And beginning no na tornado so intimacy because of me so buying of not replying to messages and not checking on people and not picking my calls now. And so no at some point no so be moody kakra. And so no one time be I'm a friend no catch me say nana obomodin kra obomodin o try am catch up reply your message blah blah. He told me point blank and I apologized and I told him say sana metie but me sorry me ni mu say uhia me moa. It doesn't matter how I feel at that moment. I will be there to support you. And so no wabeti ase. It's hard for him though because he is the type that he's all out. And so no ni adam for every time be I will say mu kona mu beni but what him say and I don't think say me and Tornado will ever fight.
But Mumbo dating to
I don't think say we'll ever fight because we've had issues. But so be auntie. We've had issues and he's like blunt. Minya friend no makazi onya mi ofane ilele nakai and am me birthday and na matiasi so he too he's beginning to understand me and that's how I thought to say maybe is so extimate because on me bet na no who is ana metie but Tornado he's amazing although social media he's a different person but back door he's nice.
You trust him that much?
Yeah. Let's my baddest bitch.
Let's just hope for the best. Why?
I hope for the best.
That's
too.
It. Member of fear that, but me too so you need pa because we gary a cry to so be them.
So be say Fred Chairman sir.
Aye.
I only the attack.
Oh yeah. baby yene ne din komo say Mzbel ade ba ko a ode pe wasam ye witness
yes
Feda come ya tia na said o ye neat ne de you know na ye neat
na me neat ne ntina no so e ka ho ntina wo be me na say wo nti saa ntia bia na because I'm very very organized say edwuma mu kra this is he's the manager of my pub
okay
omo bi say how do I do it say me the ade isi ko say e betimi esi wo me bana so bi nsa ka ne keto bia na maye me nka hwe but na madana no that's just who I am
if we say about no uginam still NDC na na eko good
I'm NDC for life.
That's good. But suddenly I say Ghana ha stars singing na se so bia ko MPP Samini wa yanyum MPP wa endorso sa akode anope ya wa endorso Prince Davido say Calibos bebre obia MPP. What is wrong with NDC?
Because ye nisika NDC ye nisika
okay
ain't no maybe idea one now obia echo ain't no sana akoba no
na na muniska a whole political party
position ya denyes nisika
say no a man for na kwa mu koi
but honestly ye was sikakra ye were NDC was sikakra one thing I've noticed about my party sometimes if you say party near chisel they don't pay people to support the party. They want you to support the party from because you believe in the party. Sene beya ukotina sina uka party no wasama ubeka unukre. Unko kasati se obi ayatuane sika. So my party don't give money like that.
My MPP for the
but se uko na uko ken bibi na eto asum na ka akoma. Eni ukakradie. Aha, won sabetimi aka.
O afutu obi de my MPP for asabre o mo twetwe stars na ba. O de forget about baby awo. Let's be honest. Afutu ben and kadbe mom wo de omo ye hu stars ni na joining.
Mini why no makoto MPP for. I cannot. They omo nim ni omo hu stars no mo and see omo twetwe omo bane. And for all you know, some of them are like truly MPP supporters. Mimi say me NDC ni. Uma me sike bia say me nko supporting MPP enye ye. And mimi say no, omo me fa sika ma me say because omo nim say me GAD and so the omo he say me no. Menye and no I cannot tell them say watch it out for this celebrities. It's business.
Okay.
It's a business. The son so for be home me or mama say me media dance here. Nanka me pese me. Ba etre me fi say be ha me. Enti manye. Enti no omo agi atomo no. Omo nim say bia da chi be home whether the party wins or not. Omo agi dey also muji. They are musicians, they are influencers. So they can influence people to support them. And I have no problem with that.
Why na who say wa join MPP a shock you? Squad no obi wo ma shock you and I know mama o nyina why dey na shock you?
There's this one person but let it pass.
No, feel free say I were out.
Yeah, because once upon a time this person used to campaign for us like say Nanado is this, Nanado is that, MPP is this and that, and then all of a sudden the person is this. So I'm like, what went wrong?
Be bold.
I am bold.
Yeah, say it.
But I'm beautiful.
Who is that person?
I don't want to say anybody's name because I never by interview. We did to me page say, what should I say? What should I not say? A lot of my fans say, don't mention anybody's name. I am trying to respect that.
That's all. You speak like a mature woman.
I am grown.
No, I don't know. Not just say no. Parties in the who was cardi abenya or mobibre.
It's business. It's business. Yes, so as a celebrity, no cocoa season for us because we have a voice, we have following.
Good.
And it's all bit you now so convince followers. No montu abamami. Me.
Okay.
But it depends on my values.
Okay.
Me and this I say my religion.
Yeah.
So me and share
any. Yeah, beba account business once. There's no way beba high account business once him. Until you share your beba business side no so now you share no kakra. Now, another last rumor person address say.
Rumor?
Adentina a whole Mzbel na utimi ma ho kwa no obi repu. Is it true say or so be repu?
Pacho me ma ho kwan so obi nrepi me na sa osofo na asema no ya kama na isi kebe ya
umbo ni di ba just asem no per se na wo mu close no na yampa na nyampa
Mpatron kebeya ye manem pass.
Me so me respect you.
Why are you so nice?
Oh no, now say I'm free UK by intimacy son. Me so bang na UK post by.
I spoke to a friend of yours.
Yeah, I know.
Robert.
He told me.
Robert, you are down.
I say on responding to messages. I'm saying and I'm saying me
so you know my issue.
He told me.
My manager here. Oh no, this is sir. Ain't no will be a number with you. Or from the man fa.
Yeah. Me free UK by dear. Me am to say my sister. Sentina me say me call Jimmy.
Very nice.
Oh yeah. I am always nice.
Make it me amo my imagine say oh punch me. I me punch you harder.
Me punch sir. Oh that me who sir. Oh me who sir. Oh my God. Mzbel, you have so much lovers. Messages, I can't even read them. A lot. Obia Boabaso. Me who Obia Sebi Wadi Watemoha. Obia message I bia ya basobo and be careful with friends and you are beautiful and you are mature. Sa basobonko. I mean, the way a man for from afar, a picture or no. When we meet you, you are not like that. Why? Why? I don't know, sir.
Yeah, how I was launched into the industry in Amanabasa.
Okay.
And I will not blame anybody because from beginning, Obia only me maybe an anti-industry. Apart from goodies, I'll bear which I'll try so bed changing yama. But Nipa or de me by industry no more. You record them in your me and Casa Yantias. And you mono yan, yes, ye did to a bonting. Yeah, they are testing machines and a tongue crow for us. And ye did to a bonting a fire. And there was no proper branding or preparation. And they made to her Sakatusa. And to be me a Sakatu, maybe a margin be a mecca, me near Basasa. Aha, it's no Nansayana, me and Casa. Me corrected Niama, but me any paboni. Nimuna me, Nimunia me, and tia. Aha.
I said, yeah, we need a hope.
Oh, Kakra. Oh, I cannot say 100%. Oh, but we need a hope. Many da hope. Yeah, they who say we need a hope. Many da 100% and can you see Nancy? Oh, that be said, and wakuma pa wono na na man for. Akuma pa na was say me guide no. Yes. And it's a gradual process. I'm learning. Every year. And say me didn't ma to social media say fans mo dream ho say me nyane den. Aha, na ma fa futu kakra film. That's good. That's good. So say all businesses be brave me boy. Yeah. E be den den. Hey, me be ka businesses am GR for. Opa o modino. But so we businesses there. Oh, say they do table so omo tata me say me share tax. Papa no. Not just the pub, but I have the pub, which is okay, Bella's pub. I have a playground, Bell Kids Playground. Yeah, I say a Bell Lanchino. And corona by and you have to pause, but people are still pushing. It is but not to take kids to play. But maybe I'll say, oh, yeah, over party. Yeah, obey me about Yaho. Open so, yeah, over photo shoot. I'll bet me about for now. I no penny or Bell Kids Playground. And so far, I will Malam, okay. And I contacts at the social media and to fra. You bet me anyway, and she share every with me about. That's good. Then I'm passing Musa. I don't know. People are saying I faked my miscarriage. Yeah, it's not fake. But I no cry then on the babonting. So I miscarriage once. Now once in a bend higher were here. And you see, I was in pain. And not me, honestly, to tell you the truth, not me pen crow farm or my shaming crying. Okay. And most of the time, I mean young crying, I'm free. My social media page and to me the better and I'm crunching somewhere if you buying in me. But unfortunately, everywhere na AI negative. So me tiny comment section of me dream who quit say be I'll be crab about mommy negative comments. I affect you and can't mean farm at all. But sometimes you feel say you needed people to talk to you about some situations, share their experience with you. But do you think social media is the right place? Sometimes it is because I may post it my name man any ama ye wo fear mothers ebe commenting say hey miss me come out say na me handle this na me so I thought say people who have had this kind of experience will come and talk to me but unfortunately no some way people so intend to my sunya bibi film all right it won't happen again. Nice one. Now first no na nka oba nware ya
ano offer mpo say obehu say wonyem ana oni obi a ba say I be normal
yeah
I say kura de no moji fans no kura sen o ma worry
it's normal to me you say me like sebi me Christian me follow any religion so for me it's normal
okay
Bible nature says so ba worry answer but what I believe in African spirituality yeah worry wa ye nyonyam hye but don't worry en susu na nyinse be mu na wo anke
question we me pese mebusa but a question me say na be worry da ben no me hu say your personal life opa na
worry say me worry da ben yeah and the ma can several times say our worry is not for everybody so is Dr. Juma and I said there may be why it's not for everybody
yes
say adum and then me see me kasa say Christian ya me adum na say obi ba ma brabo na me feel say okay I'm comfortable enough to want to spend the rest of my life with this person then I will otherwise and come plans
good Abrante bia send a beautiful message or say your friend Eric Cantona or say please leave the politics for today let's enjoy the interview immediately you go into that it will take the shine out of this great interview. What is it to you?
But it's part of my life.
I mean, you can't take it away. By a kakakra, say
yeah.
Unsa intina mimbusano.
Kasanti obi ana.
Okay, interview Mzbel and Kasanti obi sa na ehwe no. Sa na the next corner.
But in the end, somebody will come up with a headline. Ebe see me as if some Kasanti.
Yes. One story be a entisa ye trofa ho anya wo de.
Yeah. Maybe. And let me talk about the recent ones. I've seen a lot of headlines saying, Iona expose Mzbel lesbianism, BBB. Iona expose Mzbel. I get a whole lot of stuff. So expose Mzbel about miscarriage. Like, how do people sit down and create fake stories like that? Fake headlines.
Yes.
You know, na ama. Omo mpe reading and as omo data no so omo de be share ni a all kano edini pattern like how do you feel when you create a platform for people to insult obi a onye wo boni dia like enten me lesbian me nipa boni me kromfo all these things that I've been accused of I'm not like that. You need to get to know me and experience me yourself. Otherwise, don't just go posting comments just to make me feel bad. Send an Obiko posting comments trying to make Seligali feel bad.
Yeah.
See how she descended on her.
It's true.
It's out of pain.
Yes. That's somebody catch our area.
It's out of pain.
I know.
Yeah.
I know.
But people would think say you are overreacting, but they don't know how you feel. Sometimes officer celebrities so strong, well nipa be brave but most of the time I'm in my bedroom alone with my phone and my TV. Obi anyhow. And sometimes we look up to you, our fans, to encourage us, to make us feel nipa.
Good.
Then you come and then you rather try to mash us like Bayre. It's painful.
Adia ba ku bi mu a ehu se mabunu do no ana ya yenti ase ne ye how
let me see maybe some question. And to say, "Ufo baby, na say,
yes.
or your virgin what's the feeling? Is it nicer than obi on your virgin?
Me ankasa akra de me the virgin de enye mani so adi hu no. Ko virgin akra benya problem.
Sound.
Yeah, two virgin de ya fa bi benya asem.
Because I am virgin now, virgin. So say saka sound. So yeah, your virgin, my am feeling bad.
Ambo. Ya kana keke. Na virgin akra be da so virgin.
Ura ho na be.
Nadia, we are being a problem, dear. Who's a baby?
But I was so be breaking virgin, can
but and that dear,
and you will lie,
and that dear, break idea. Mzbel, sir, the Okoso Abrabo Hunina, no, and anyway, and then Mzbel anyway, no. Yeah, or Dana Joa, unsuro so be baba attack you. Don't you fear, say, or be to me as money per bonnet about so. Don't you have that fear?
Oh, sometimes I do.
Okay.
And actually, I have been attacked in my home before by armed robbers. And no dear, me ya sheye wo hu pa. Me koda, me make sure say baby ya locking a electric fence was so and crime are on the loose like the preparation before I go to sleep is weird because of near atomic pain. Internal security there me defend the agro and I me PS so as you may see me sitting here alone running my mouth, but omo wedi me chomo ni hwe me no omo ye omo adwuma no omo do so because I don't do that because I fear death. It's because me woma. Me ni wa. The way I me show the way I me treat you. Obufufro enti me enye sam my baba be basa. Enti omo hu ntena se de bia me bomb me ho ban. So my security dey me mfani agro.
Na say adea ehu hia pa.
Oh yeah, baby me wo bia me dwuma mu me fear. I make sure that there are people there employed to take care. Sometimes police folk.
Yes. Yeah. That's good. Yeah, man, the conversation. Who be
we are done.
Almost
nice. Full time.
Only since incidents are happening, you know. And I'm on phone so Romeo interview there. Obaye, look at how we are doing the interview. That's how I do my interviews. Obaye na me evidence wo me phone so anka meka. Me ni evidence amenka. Obaye me wo evidence ameka say Mzbel mo evidence wa. But how do me no evidence? Me ni evidence. You know. A smooth interview here running the sun. Is there anything you would like to address? Bibi wo ha pesa wo kan a public no listeners no.
Basically now I like to say me whenever baby me yeah me adoma this month e be beba abonten and I've anything you want me to say?
Manager, do you want to say something? Oh, okay. Yeah, and they are.
You said you don't drink. Yesterday I saw you in a video with Smirnoff Ice in front of you, and you were laughing.
Is it the new one with the pineapple? It's about could be any pineapple.
And final one, person can say.
Yeah.
This is for Iona. See, she has created the impression, say, and Tokwebi Wahama Microphone Dimatem. I would love, say Onya Kwenye be not occur radio, so she will make it right because in Tokwebi Yentamo. She said she loves me. She said it like a countless time. I love you, mommy. I love you, mommy. I love her too. Ain't no, she should make this right.
Okay.
We can have a very good relationship. I'm still waiting for him.
Meeting,
yeah. So there is no problem.
Okay.
So Onya no call radio so she should make things right.
Okay.
And she should give credit to from even before she met me. Nipa ye say mami me danase when we so ye say mami me danase when so ye say like so that because she is good ninyu mu nyina eye na we start on this note a die out you will be forced to create another controversy to push you, but you don't need controversy to become who you are. You have good songs. Obra is one of my
very beautiful songs.
Obra amongst someone the music and everything, and you work hard for that song, and you are going to use Mzbel to overshadow that glory. Don't do that.
Okay.
You don't need to do that. Come out and make things right. Let people know, say, me mama say not here. But me nimu say me be kan wa want to say on family call and so on blind message. People nipa be yi manu ase money and make things right. And let's sit down and solve the problem. And let me bless you like the way I'm blessing you already. I love you too the way you say you love me. Unless say be the love you say you have for me.
It's faded out.
And it's just for the face.
Yeah.
Otherwise, it is not necessary say
this is touching.
It's not because at some point me and Iona we decided say better kwan akwaji any baby na some videos being and promote her song. So she suggested to me say me fa me ba no adepa enkoja ne mami and I did. Me de adepa koja Iona mami for like a month. Ade a me nye bi da. I have never trusted anybody with my child. But I did that. So we are family. Family as someone yenjina bedwem enka. But ebia wandwe hu say me maami din ni ko bona me de kan asama ebe ma say aba. So come out and make things right and shame people. Otherwise it will be on record say when me be ya adam for na nche and I say and as only me be sign ya nche na say e bae sa so na nipa ni be di wechi obi a oni ni be sign bia no they will be expecting something negative to happen and people's expectation of us and sometimes it manifests. So come out and make things right. I haven't the way I feel about it, it hasn't changed. she's crazy, she's silly, she's careless, but I love her all the same. And to know me, I'm just waiting say we'll make things right. Or no bet me I make it things right because she came out first to create that impression. Ghana for me nyane for bonesa me dini na edru enti bibia bebe wo biara na akoye ne ye wo ho. You need to chill and calm down. There are so many people working with me who are still working with me. Rush, that's good. Me na anye juma by 20 years in only me madam for Modini Kofi Ghost ni you beat Hammer. Why a lot? So if I'm that bad, these people won't be around me. I don't want to take all your time.
Na enyumo waja to kra on. She say there ode unda dey go form.
Me die enyumo too, but the problem is that I was facing a lot of challenges because of politics.
Okay.
Which is I think say sa no mo ye no.
Okay.
Me nemu say me party to be say.
Yeah, Mike me mami. Nti oye nya anyum to.
Me nya anyum to.
By politics intina.
But politics intino me face a lot of challenges.
Challenges being.
To say be a menya show.
Okay.
Na be an patriarch guest of Anna no. Oye opanyin bi a wa ben mu a. Ne hu nkrofo to me frɛ e ka say oh Mzbel na perform dia ye ni pay oma. Mo yini free so wa disrespecting anado. I was so apologizing and stuff like that. Intino me nya show embo and investing in music is becoming difficult. Why you saying
no it's painful
and it's a choice. It's painful and no me invest wo nyumu sisi a me nya o hwe and muntu aba ma NPP how do you say that?
Hey what's the video? Reverse what? Rewind the track. Rewind the track.
Muntu aba ma NDC said na be ya meti me enya medjuma back. Why?
O se me ka se end interview no. Eyo, ya wi. Ya end